Scotty, are you sticking Tom's long thing in his car?
Yes, I am.
Nice.
Yeah, the door's not it.
Yeah. So, Scotty's getting that situated. Over here, they're old or new. We actually test fit this at the shop. I'm actually using an exhaust expander. We test fit it on that, and it fits perfectly now. So we'll get that in. I'm gonna mark here where to trim in the general ballpark of things. So I will cut, and then I can start expanding the other end. All right, so now that we are close to our original, and boy, that's stretched out. I'm not even gonna touch that one with any comments. Scotty's got our filler neck back in the car, all nice and tight, ready to go. I'm gonna go into there, slip on, slipping is something a little more comfortable. Take our expander out of this end, slide it on, get it on the filler neck, and I'm gonna be expanding this end. Wow. We fight the tank in. All right, we've trial fit the one side. Now I'm stretching the other. Told Scotty he can't borrow this tool for his twinks. And then he told me that's what his dick's for.
Yep, the twink killer.
That's more than I want to know. I think you're going to want the pliers. Here you go. Oh, well, screw you too, He-Man. Look, working it like a pro since 1957. Damn, Scotty, they even got the year of birth.
Right?
Grandpa. Grandpa Twink Hunter. Yeah.
That's going to be on my grave.
No. We're putting It's All Pink in the middle on your grave. We've already discussed this today. Anyway, that's going on the tank. Ow. Oh, look at that. That's going to go right on, I bet.
That's what we're hoping for.
Grandpappy Twink Hunter.
I need you to... Or maybe I can get it.
We want you to come in there?
Not really.
And help lube it up. You need a lube? You want some lube? Yeah. Lube your hole. Look at Scotty doing his thing. Whoa. Whoa, with the squirting of the white stuff all over the floor. Jesus.
No comment.
I'm gonna fucking die.
But did you?
No, but I'm gagging on all the dust in here. The older I get, the worse my allergies are. Anyway, alright, I'm gonna come in there and help you, and then we'll get a video once together. Alright. Scotty's got it on the hole. So we ready to jam her in?
Pretty much.
Is that expanded a little bit on that end?
Yeah, this side's still pretty good, so I'm not really worried about that.
God, the dust in here is killing me. Killing me, I tell ya. Killing me. Softly with this song. Anyway, all right. Are we gonna stick it in? All right. One strap-on hooker is in. The rubber's stretched on this side, about ready to be clamped up top. Looking nice, Scotty. You're real close over there. I can see it's only a skosh.
Yeah, I only need like maybe half an inch at most, and I can start clamping it down.
And then we got to get a nut for this clamp hooker. You're a clamp hooker.
I've been called worse in my life.
Tramp.
I've been called that too. Come up with something new.
Number 2, Scotty, using a pass-through set. Next thing you know, you're going to be using electricity and stuff. So now we got to fight the wrestle with our hose, eh?
Yep.
Which shouldn't be too bad.
No, a couple of seconds I'll have that done. And we can start putting fuel in this thing.
And we got to put the hose on the
yeah, that's right.
the pickup. So what we'll do is we'll get this done. Then we'll just put the jack under here so we can get under there a little better and done.
Yep.
Oh, you see that pass through real quick? I'm going to put a couple rounds on this guy.
I already did it.
I know.
I got it back exactly where it's marked was.
But it's not equal. See, it's loose.
right, check your length, make sure it's measured exactly with your calibrated eyeball.
That's pretty good. All right, Scotty, do a little WrestleMania up there, eh?
Yep.
All right. That battle is complete. Looking good. We go up to the front, do our fuel line and our sending unit wire, and then we're gonna put some gas in there. All right, so no leakies. We just put fuel in it. Probably about 7-8 gallons. It's whatever fuel we had when I pulled it. Tom and I poured in the cans, so we put it back. Cap's on. Nothing's leaking. I'll crank this baby, get her lit. And Hazel's up and running. I don't know, Scotty. Did you hear Hazel? She said she wants Tom to take her to dinner.
Yes. I know for a fact that's what Hazel told me.
Yep. She wants to go to dinner. And she's ready to go to dinner. Hooray! Miss Amy sees the light of day. Hooray! God, she drives so good. Can't wait. Next week we are going to be doing rear brakes, rear differential, rear shocks, leaf springs, bushings, shackles. So she gets full back end rebuild next week. Probably Tuesday or Wednesday. Waiting on parts to show up. But I'm taking her around the block and Tom can drive her this weekend because she's such a good car.